Here at Titan Protection, we were able to deter 5 trespassers from our client site. This site specifically is massive and it has dangerous waters. No one should be out there. It all started here in our Security Operations Center, where we receive thousands of alerts each day from cameras all across the United States. This specific day, my dispatcher received an alert of these 5 individuals getting out of their vehicle and making their way towards these waters. Once they became out of the camera view, that's when we knew we needed to alert the drone team.
The SOC operators and the drone operators work in the same room, so we're able to collaborate and communicate very effortlessly, and that allowed them to instantly notify me that there was somebody on site. I put the drone in the air, and we were able to get eyes in the sky. Once the drone is in the air, we're able to use a variety of tools at our disposal, like the speaker or the spotlight, to tell people that they're trespassing and they need to leave. We're also able to track people as they walk through the site with our drone camera, and it's extremely valuable. At this point, the SOC operators have dispatched the Titan ground officer to the site. He has arrived at the site, and we're able to coordinate directly with him and guide him into where people are trespassing. We can even provide that officer a video link so that he can see what we're seeing from the air on the ground.
When I had arrived on scene, our drone operators had been working with our SOC team to gather information about who was on site, where they were, and what they were doing. That allowed us to communicate all of that information to PD so that our boots on the ground had a more complete picture of what was going on. Due to the size and the layout of the location we responded to, we were unable to have direct line of sight to the individuals. There was extremely dense foliage surrounding us, unforgiving terrain. There weren't any sidewalks. This wasn't a parking lot. So myself and the responding PD officers noticed that the drone was flying nearby, maybe 40 feet in the air, and we could see exactly what direction it was pointed. So we figured, follow the drone. At this time, while maintaining contact with our SOC team and our drone operators and exchanging information with them, myself and the 2 responding PD officers made our way through the foliage and immediately came across the individuals right outside the tree line. This allowed PD to get their information, issue citations, and explain to them why they weren't allowed to be there. And then shortly thereafter, we escorted them all off property without any issue.
At this point, we have our drone in the sky, our security operations dispatchers wrapping up with police, our boots are on the ground going that last mile, and here at Titan, that's what we call the Goldilocks moment. Taking the right people, the best technology, and blending together. If you'd like to learn more about our Security Operations Center, our drone team, or any of our guard services, visit us at tpcsecurity.com.